We are in the loan origination workplace of the TurnKey Lender solution. Here we can see all the loan applications that were created by either one of your borrowers from the front office or by your loan originators. The first step is to review an application, and once you're ready to proceed, press Send for approval. This is a personal unsecured loan, so it goes straight to the underwriting workplace. TurnKey Lender uses integrations with credit bureaus and proprietary AI-driven technology to instantly evaluate the borrower's profile and the loan application. An advanced scorecard and meticulously adjusted decisioning rules come built in with the system. Nonetheless, you can fully customize both to meet your business needs. Next up, the underwriter reviews the application approved by the loan originator, gauges credit risks evaluated by the system, and if they see that the reward outweighs the risks, clicks Approve. The application then moves forward to the servicing workplace. In the servicing workplace, the lender can easily disburse funds, both manually, in the branch, or digitally, given that they've integrated their TurnKey Lender portal with the payment provider of choice. That's all. You have safely disbursed a loan in less than 2 minutes. It's that simple. The loan is processed, analyzed, evaluated, and disbursed, usually with extra time to spare. Want to learn more? Reach out to our team for a detailed demo tailored to your business.